Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are well. My name is Milan, beautifully Milan. If this is your first time here, welcome to the family, and if you are an oldie, thank you for coming back again. Okay, so in today's video I'll be talking about some of the things you can do or put in place to help you save more as a young adult. So sit back, relax and enjoy. I'll be back.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Okay, so in this video, when I say young adults, I mean anyone who is doing their national service, who just got their first job, who has just spent a few years in their current job and is planning on starting investment or finding ways of saving extra money and then investing it later, or just how to properly go about your money as a young adult. So these are the kind of people I am referring to in this video. When it comes to saving and investing, it is not about how much money you make. The emphasis or the focus is rather on what you do with whichever money you make. Okay, so you can earn a lot of money. Maybe you've acquired the dream job, you are getting paid well, but if you don't manage your money well or put certain things in place, at the end of the day you wouldn't know where the money has gone to. You wouldn't know what you did with the money. The only thing you realize is that the money is finished. Sikano, ashe. To be able to save properly and effectively, there are certain measures you need to put in place which will make that process very easy for you. When trying to save become very difficult and tedious and involving, that is when you become easily discouraged and you would not be motivated to move on with your savings plans. So I'm here to just make things very easy for you. Put these measures I'm about to say in place and you see how easy it is to actually save your money and invest your money. You now you'll be agreed to put some money down. So let's start. I know this is not the first time you are hearing this. This should even tell you that it is actually very important to start budgeting, and you have to make it very easy for yourself. Now there are a lot of apps that have been created for personal budgeting. Go on Google Store, Google Store? Go on your Apple Store and you get a lot of free budgeting apps. So you have to actually make it a conscious effort to budget before you get your salary or your income. It is very important that you actually do it before the money comes. If it is the budgeting app that you know you can work with, get that, or you know that you can use your Excel sheet for that, you can also use that, or you can use your book, just a book and a pen to draw out your budget. That is also fine, but make sure that it is done consciously and before you get your income. Budgeting actually help you to focus on your financial goals and avoid unplanned expenses. So please, you start by budgeting. If you want to know more about budgeting and one of the apps I use, I have dedicated a whole video on that. I'll link it up here and see how I budget my income. I know some of the boys will have a problem with my next point, but it is very important and it actually saves a lot of money, more than you actually think of. Cook more. Buy things in bulk. Plan your meals for the week. I have personally observed that if I don't have enough food at home, that is when I am tempted to buy outside. And if I don't take advantage of a weekend that I have enough time to go to the market, get food stuff and cook, I will end up wasting money the rest of the week. So you have to make it a conscious effort to cook. It will actually help you avoid wasting a lot of money buying food in bits. Make it a conscious effort to cook often. Buy your things in bulk, and then you can use it throughout the week, and you yourself, you testify to the fact that you have actually saved a lot of money. You just try it and see. This is not the time to be doing akesisem. This is not the time to be proving that yes, you too, you can buy some of your clothes. You too, you can buy some of the shoes. No, this is not the time to do that. We are money conscious, remember. We have our financial goals in mind, remember. And so don't look at what your friend is doing or the people around you are doing. Live within your means. Please, if your company provides you breakfast and lunch, eat from your company canteen. It's not everyone that gets the chance to be provided food at work. If you get that from your company, whether you are doing your national service or you are a permanent employee, please take advantage of the food your company provides. This will also help you save a lot of money. If your company provides transportation, take the bus, take the company bus. Don't delay for the bus to leave you. No, don't delay. It will help save you some coins. You think they are coins, but they are actually money you are saving. Live within your means. Also, another thing to that I want to touch on is that you should be willing to sacrifice a little bit of your comfort now for the sake of your future comfort, the bigger comfort. When it comes to renting a place as a national service personnel or someone who has just started working permanently, please get a place that is within your budget. It should not be even close to the maximum amount you have budgeted for rental. Try as much as possible to let that budget be lower than what you have budgeted for. For instance, I am living at a place that is draining my money, and I am thinking of the amount of money I can actually be saving if I move from this place. And so before my rent ends, I am going to look for another place, because all the money that I am wasting renting this place can be saved, and I can also invest it and also build my own rental properties. How about that? And when it comes to that point, I can live in anywhere I want, any room, any nice neighborhood that I want, because I have paid my dues by saving and investing my money and then investing it in real estate. So please make the sacrifices now to reap the benefits in future. Sacrifice some of your comforts now so that you will have endless comfort for yourself and for your future children and even for the rest of your family. Please don't say that you have a savings account so you are good to go. What's the interest you get on a savings account? Tell me. How much? Open an investment account. There are lots of investment plans, trust me. Find the one that is within your budget. Find the one that is within your strength. My previous video was on investment options for young Ghanaians. I'll link it here. You can click on it and see some of the ones I have tried so far. I plan on reading more and finding out more about other investment options, and when I do, I'll come and educate you, my lovely audience. The next thing you can also do, this is very optional. This is for the people who don't have any control over their money, any control over their spending. You can go to your bank and make the necessary arrangements that as soon as your money drops into your account, this percentage should go into your investment, this percentage should go into this account, and that account. Okay, so that the money will not be just readily available for you to now plan on what to do with it. If you know you find it difficult managing your money, you know that you are easily tempted to withdraw 100 cedis to buy this shoe. If you know you are that kind of person, please go to your bank and request an automatic transaction, function for your account. It is there, it can be done. So go to your bank and get it done. Another thing you can do, okay, to save more. This comes in two options. You can do either of them. Me, in both cases, I'll still save more, but it is up to you. If you want to save more, you have to spend less. If you know that before you were always using 100 cedis to prepare stew, find a way of cutting down that amount to 60 cedis or 50 cedis. And that would mean that what you have saved 50 more cedis for your investment. Or you can find a way of generating extra income. This can be in the form of taking up extra jobs. It can be you getting things to sell, and then you generate interest out of it, which becomes your extra income. So you either spend less or generate more money. Finally, the most important thing you need to do, I made mention of it a bit earlier. You know yourself, and then you know what you want. You know that you don't want to be renting a place in the next 3 years, or you don't want to be working in the next 3 years, or you want to get married in the next 3 years. Okay, so these are the things that become your financial goals, and if you have that in mind, it will really influence how you spend your money. So the most important thing you need to do is to sit down, know what you want to achieve financially, write them down, put them in a place you can see that you would always be reminded of, and you work backwards towards it. How much money do you need to save every month? Is your single source of income right now going to help you achieve that financial goal in the next 3 years? If it is not going to help you, you go back. You either reduce your expenses or you get another source of income that will help you achieve that goal in that year. Please do that, and honestly, you would see the change. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please again, pardon the background noise. Okay, it's actually a struggle when it comes to that. I hope the video was very helpful and you have learned something from it, and you are actually going to put these steps in motion. And I promise you will notice the changes, and you'll be able to save more and invest more. You would feel responsible, and it's a good feeling to feel that way. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel now, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button, okay, and also click on the post notification. You see that bell thing? Click on it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And please feel free to share my videos to everyone on any platform. I love you so much, and I thank you for your support.